Namaskar and welcome to Aad Yog. In this video, we are going to talk further about Soma. In the previous video, I might link it here, we talked about Soma Ras, how you can create it through yogic practices in your body. Now in this video, we're going to talk how you can find Soma Ras in the outer atmosphere. Not outer atmosphere, but this is inner atmosphere inside. Whatever is outside, I'm referring to that. Now if you see Vishnu and Mahalakshmi's picture, it's a depiction, and you see in that depiction there is a lotus flower coming out of Vishnu's belly, and Brahma is sitting over there. Brahma is the creator, the element of creation. If my students are listening to this video, I'm talking about element of creation, not Brahma as the human figure, 3 heads, 4 heads. Yeah, don't go for that. Now what is happening in this creation? On this planet Earth, every movement is happening because of sun and moon. If there is no moon, problem. If there is no sun, problem. Life cannot exist without sun. To see beyond the limitations of this human body, with the sun cycle, the white and the rose type of colored, pink colored lotus. Near the full moon, they collect dewdrops from the cosmic system. These dewdrops are used to ingest, to open up your visionary system. Now, on the other hand, there is blue lotus. On the full moon night, now this white and pink lotus, they work with the sun system. The blue lotus, it works with the moon system. Now, whenever there is full moon night, it comes, there's a special full moon that comes during the month of June and July. We call it Vyas Purnima. During that full moon night, this lotus leaf or lotus flower on its petals collects dewdrops. These drops are applied in the eyes. They can also be ingested. Now this opens up the visionary element with your eyes. You can see Gandharvas, Rakshasas, gods, demigods, other elements, Bhut Pishach also. That is the external element of Soma Ras. I'm giving you a very key method here. Whoever wants a deeper suggestion, they can take my suggestions. Email ID is in the description. Now there is another thing. There's a mushroom in the Himalayas. It's violet colored mushroom with pink dots. Do not take it. It's highly poisonous. Anything, whatever I'm recommending here, I'm not recommending anything. I'm telling you how the Soma is made. But some techniques I will keep only for my students. Now what is happening? Once in a year, again, near one sacred full moon night near October, saints gather in Himalayas. They take this mushroom, boil it, take this Soma Ras. After chanting mantras, The mantras are that thing which make it work the way it works. Then they sit, decipher codes of the world, and the people, if you 1%ers are listening, we know everything. And this is how saints plan how to bring energy and light to the people, to the masses. Every year. Locations I will not disclose, only for my students. Some days I will take my students there. Soma Ras from external sources are having in this way. Ayahuasca is not the Soma Ras. Ayahuasca doesn't hold the Soma Ras. It opens up your system for a while. Soma Ras is something which is again temporary if your physical system is not ready. That's why yoga works with Soma Ras, with diet. That's why Swar Yoga, Surya Nadi and Chandra Nadi, they work creating Soma Ras. There are a lot of things. I think this video gives you enough idea what it is. It shall give you enough idea. Alright, my friends. I will see you in my next video. Namaskar.